Here comes Mr. Nobody walking down the...
Hello everybody. So this video is going to be a little different. I sometimes get asked, how do I have my setup here on the desk? And so I happen to be cleaning my desk, and I thought, well, you know what? Let me show you. So let me just switch over to the camera here. So what I have here is on this side, I have my, this is my rack equipment. So this is all the channels. As you can see, I have them labeled here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, if you've also noticed, they're color coded and they match. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's red, blue, yellow, white. And the reason I did this on both sides, like red, blue, yellow, white, is so that if I put one in, and as you can see, like I don't know where the tag for 5 is. I know that it's the 5th one because I have the one labeled 1. So that way, if any of these tags get lost or slide down the back here, I don't have to worry about it because I do know that which one is which. If I have at least one tag for each, don't always have that though. So yeah, then I'm gonna move these over here for a second. Then I have this is my RCA jack. This is what gets plugged into my USB mixer, which is off to the side here, which is what I feed the DP32, the 2488, and soon to be the 788 are all using this guy here to feed into the system so you guys can hear what I'm hearing. And that's why I do it that way. Then we have here, these are the 1/4 inch. These are my monitor speakers. These actually are going into my Mackie Big Knob, which I'll slide over here. So that's over here. So I got my Mackie Big Knob here, which I use for pretty much all my audio. The audio, this audio interface is plugged into here, and then these over here, these are also plugged into here. So depending on where this switch is, that's what I have. And then yeah, this is my USB Art 4. It's beautiful. I love it. It works great for this. This is what is running the vocals as you can hear them. You can see the lights going on and off here because that's this mic right here, which is that purple cable going down. And I have nothing in 2, but 3 and 4. You can't really see it, but it's the RCA ports that I'm using, and then the output into this. So that's first off. So this is going to the rack. The rack is over on the corner on this side. It's hard I got a new camera, so everything is like closer now. So I'm getting used to that. Now this one is red to remind me that it is right. So this is left, this is right. That's how I do. That's how I differentiate that. That way I know when I pull them out, if I switch them around, I will know that that's where I want it. This plug is for the the Model 24 and the 2488 because they both use this cable. Makes it easy. This over here is so 1 to 7 is drums, and depending on what I have, so snare, kick, high, mid, low, toms. So that's the 3. Overhead right or overhead left, overhead right, and then this is for the Roland in the corner. You can just barely see it in my video, in my camera. There is that's for that one. That's the microphone on there. Now I have a Type A USB. This is for the Model 24 and the 2488. They both use this cable. And then this is a Mini B, and it is used by the DP32. The 788 doesn't have USB. So then I also have this. This is the plug for the DP32. It is actually on a switch, so I don't have it running all the time, only when I need it. So that's how I have my setup here, and that allows me to access all my stuff, like the drums. As you can see, like the drums are mic'd. Let's just see if I can get over here. So let's just switch. So as you can see here, so that handles all of this here. That's all. That's why these are labeled A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, to let me know that is the inputs on the machine. If I record with the Model 24, Model 24 has 16 XLR inputs to use. And what I'll do is I will use 1 to 8 is 1 to 8 on the board, and then 9 to whatever it would be, 22 is the drums. That's generally how I do it. And then that way they're both attached. If I'm doing like a full band in here, that's the easiest way to do it. And yeah, that's pretty much my whole video for this. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.